How to change your email address on Airbnb. Are you guys facing issue to change your email address on Airbnb? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change your email address on Airbnb, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. As soon as you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see this profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon. After you click on profile icon, scroll down and click on account settings. As soon as you click on account settings, you can see option for personal information. Tap on personal information. After you click on personal information, you can see this option for email. You are looking to edit email, right? Just simply tap on edit. As soon as you tap on edit, you will be able to edit your email address. As soon as you click on edit, tap on save. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change the email address. If you guys found this very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.